Hey guys, I'm making a quick video to change the oil on um, the lawnmower. This particular brand is 6.5 horsepower Briggs and Stratton, and it's pretty straightforward. Find out the oil, uh, the place to fill the oil, and uh, and normally that's where you see the dipstick as well. So this is the dipstick, goes right over here. The first thing you do is, as you can already see, that put a pan down there, take out this uh, cap, the dipstick cap, then as you can see, tilt the mower on the side. And actually, even before doing that, what you can do is put a plastic thing here on the fuel. This is a gas line, so that this will seal the cap. So just drain it out and find out which oil goes into your Briggs and Stratton or your lawnmower. In my case, I got this SAE 30, but find out the one that goes in your lawnmower. This one takes about 20 fluid ounce, but after putting the oil back, the new oil back there, you can check in the dipstick and where it should fall. There are normally some indications. In this case, there are 2 dots, and that's it should be between the dots. Again, this is a push mower, lawnmower with no drain plug. Some of the lawnmower, they have a drain plug at the back, but this one does not. And this is how you change the oil, engine oil, on a mower. Thank you very much.